Hello everyone, my name is Ana Carolina Rodriguez. I am student of Business Administration, course English 4. I am from Group 3 and my teacher is Claudia Juliana Gomez. This is my oral presentation of English Level 4. The main topic of my presentation is my opinion about the impact of technology on the environment. Well, I consider that the Industrial Revolution has brought about new technologies with immense power, and the impact of these technologies on the environment has included the damage to our nature. The burning of fossil fuels, factories, power stations, mass agriculture, and vehicles causes damage to the ozone layer, and thanks to it, nature is being destroyed. To me, it's very important to say that despite the negative impact of technology on the environment, many people are conscious of the fact we need to make a change in the way we consume technological products. But even if a great part of this can cause damage to our planet, some others were created for helping to reduce pollution and the impact of all we have done for destroying nature. For example, the use of solar panels for decreasing the consumption of electric energy. Okay, on the other hand, it seems to me that if we keep on trying to reduce pollution and if companies contribute also to helping the earth, in the future our planet will be greater than what it is now, and we will be able to breathe fresh air, to drink clean water, to see different ecosystems with lot of biodiversity, and to enjoy for a helping earth. For mitigating the environmental damage, we just have to change some of our habits. For example, sharing our car with other people, use the bicycle as a means of transport. According to some investigations, if industries reduce the use of fossil fuel and search for another alternative, that can make a great difference to climate change and the environmental damage. Okay, and finally, here are some changes we can make now to help avoid catastrophe as a result of environmental damage. One, to use new biodegradable materials. Two, to recycle. Three, to control the use of water. Four, to keep just one cell phone, no changing it every year or as a trend, because the creation of a simple one causes a lot of pollution. 5. To reduce the use of disposable wrappers, bottles, etc. 6. Cycling or walking, because can reduce our carbon footprint. Okay, that's all. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.